to Geminiano Cozzi Venezia 1765 showroom. I'm Valentina, in charge of business development for this Venetian brand, and I will guide you through the discovery of our most significant collections. The Tradition collections of Geminiano Cozzi Venezia 1765 presents faithful reproduction of shapes and original handcrafted decorations that have made the history of the Venetian manufacture. The historical archive of the Manifattura Cozzi offers an incredible range of creative opportunities, still timeless even today. Our products are developed in fine bone china, the top-of-the-range porcelain, elegant, translucent, chip-resistant and lightweight. I am pleased to introduce you the collection Feston Cadena, with its precious and refined decoration, made with numerous layers of pure gold, interlaced and enriched with red wisteria leaves. The collection is also available in pure gold and light blue, very elegant and delicate. This is one of the most refined decorations used by Cozzi to embellish coffee or tea sets for the Venetian bourgeoisie, developed on our white shapes Milano and Florence. This collection is composed by two different choices of flat plates, one completely flat with solid background decoration in 15, 22, 28 and 33 centimeters, the other with a more traditional rim in 22, 28 and 31 centimeter. Our offer includes the tea and coffee sets consisting of cups, saucers, teapots, creamers, sugar and dessert bowls, which completes this assortment's range. Items of Feston and Cadena collection are also available in luxurious gift packages. For those who love personalization and exclusivity, we can develop this glamorous decoration in various colors of your choice, which will make your tableware unique, elegant and distinguished. Available on our website, you will find useful information for you to be enchanted by the prestige and history of this design, together with the possibility of creating your personal and exclusive collection.